Hello everyone, and welcome to this episode of Vulgar Newfie's Japanese Eatery. Today I received the package, and seeing as how one of my cats was kind of running around it ravenously, I can only guess that it is my Doritos. Now, as some of you may know, I am a huge fan of Doritos, and I will import them from any ends of the earth, even America. As we can see here, I have a box from JP Post. This is the first time I've ever seen one of these boxes, and because I like new things that are different, I will probably keep the box too. Now, let us see what is inside. I'm not even looking at the camera when I do this. Key power, activate! Open up, you goddamn son of a bitch! Fucking tape! Key! You are failing me! Why must you fail me? Hey, hold on. It's one side. You know, I expected the bags to be bigger, but I guess it's the smaller stuff, but oh well. Come on! You motherfucking tape! By the way, in case you're wondering why I'm having so much trouble with this, it is because I actually have problems with my wrists. There we go. And now we are in business. Are these instructions on how to open the box in Japanese? I don't know. I cannot read that. Oh, awesome! They're pretty tightly packed, but oh, I'm like a kid on Christmas right now. You can tell I'm super excited. Actually, I am. It's just really fucking early in the morning. So, of course, the salt and steak ones end up completely crushed, but yeah. Alright. And what is this thing? A receipt, I'm guessing? Yes. Holy shit, though. I don't know exactly what you guys pay. I don't know exactly what you guys pay for Doritos over there in Japan. Although I imagine the price is probably marked up a bit because this guy's got to make money somehow. Which by the way is really, okay, maybe that's probably the way it's supposed to be because, looks like little strips stuff. Anyway, the mixed up salt steak flavored chips are $4.25. And I guess, yeah, I guess what it is, it has something called Jane's Krazy Mixed-Up Salt. But yeah, this should be interesting. Let's give it a taste. Oh man. Doritos from another country. In case you're wondering if I'm just getting this excited because it's from Japan, no. You should see me with American Doritos. Which, by the way, some of the flavors, I wish they would hurry up and get up here in Canada. It smells pretty good. It smells like those Mr. Noodle type things. Also, I've never seen Doritos in this shape. Mmm! That is damn good. Mmm. That is really fucking good. The salt and steak flavor, I approve. It is fucking delicious. And by the way, I'd also like to take this time to apologize for uploading in such crappy resolution. My main camera for filming is... I don't know where the fuck it is. I'll just take a page from Hikakin at this point and give this a rating between 1 and 100. I will give this a 90. Till next time, happy eating. Did I really just say happy eating? I've never seen someone eating angry. Nom nom nom! Bye!